The Savannah Habitat by Diallo Tulani. A habitat is the place where different plants and animals can live, or even microorganisms like bacteria. Adaptation is how a living thing can live in a habitat. Animals and plants are adapted to the conditions of the habitats in which they live. Example: it probably took millions of years for the giraffe's neck to grow very long so it can reach the leaves high in the tree. There are many savannas around the world. In South America, India, Australia, Madagascar, and the biggest one is in Africa. My project is about the African savanna. The African savanna is a rolling grassland scattered with shrubs and little bit of trees. There is not enough rain to make it a forest and just enough rain not to make it a desert. There are two different seasons in the savanna, wet and dry seasons. A very long dry season, which is in the winter, and a wet season in the summer. In Africa, the rain begins in May. Between December and February, no rain will fall at all. It is warm in the savanna all the time, even in the winter. Average temperature in a year is about 25 degrees Celsius. In the African savanna, there are lots of different animals and plants. The animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Examples like the giraffes, zebras, elephants. The animals that eat meat are called carnivores. Examples like lions, tigers, cheetahs. The animals like the zebra eat the grass and leaves, and animals like the lion eat the zebra. But humans are the biggest enemies of these animals. People hunt animals like the elephant for the ivory for their tusks. They carve the ivory tusk and make sculptures out of them. The rich people pay lots of money for the ivory art because they like to show off. So people go and kill the elephant and cut off their tusks. Here are some pictures of amazing trees, plants, and beautiful animals of the savanna, like the big baobab tree.